Hi, this is Kay and
M Adventures.
and today we are here in Long Grove at the Sock Monkey Museum. They have over 2,200 sock monkeys and they're trying to get the world record for the most amount of sock monkeys. You definitely need to come check out this museum. It's very cool and part of the proceeds go to a chip sanctuary. So come join us on our adventure. So we're coming into the Sock Monkey Museum and this is their gift store area. They have a big giant sock monkey you can get a picture with.
Excuse me for a second.
So you have plenty to choose from, but these are little teeny tiny sock monkeys you can take home. They're so cute. They're like probably like 2 inches big. Adorable. And they even have a teeny tiny mug you can get and put the little sock monkey in the mug. Oh, look how cute that is. And here's the teeny tiny sock monkey in the teeny tiny cup. Just so cute. So here's the birthday room that you can rent out and have birthday parties here. And you can make your own little sock monkey and dress them up. So in this room, talking to the owner, they have where you could come and make your own sock monkeys, the real ones, and have a class that you can take. So that would be definitely something worth checking out. So they have a Ferris wheel here with all little sock monkeys on it. They also have a board here where you can try to see where all sock monkeys have been and where they started. So they also have a model train. And again, sock monkeys are everywhere in here. You definitely need to come and check out the museum, which you can't film in, but it really has some really cool displays and super old sock monkeys and animatronics. It's really cool, so you should definitely come check it out. There's another great photo op here where you can get a picture in a phone booth with Superman. They also have where you can do like a Build-A-Bear, and you can even do a sock monkey Build-A-Bear and get to dress it up in little outfits. There's all different kinds of outfits you can dress them up as. Well, that was our time here at the Sock Monkey Museum in Long Grove, Illinois. We really had a great time. It was so much fun.
It was really cute. I really liked looking at all the different sock monkeys that were here.
So I advise you to come out and check this place out. If you're new to this video, please subscribe. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up.
Bye.
Bye.